welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mystic box from May month, and this is from Fashitude. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. First of all, this is for May month and it's a jewelry subscription box from Fashitude. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees, but don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save 5%, which is Ritu5. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box so you guys can check it. Now, you have COD as well on this box, but for that you have to pay 60 rupee extra. I will be mentioning this information as well in the description box, so don't worry about it. Now let's just quickly see what all jewelry they have in May month box. First thing is this. This is the info card. And on the other side, they have written some precautions for your jewelry. And this side it says, Fashitude, do fashion with attitude. Now I have one more card, which is this. It says Fashitude, and on the other side it has one promo code. So if you are going to order this box for the first time, you can use this promo code and you will get 15% cash back, which is amazing. And don't worry, I will be mentioning this code with the other code in the description box so you guys can check it. Now let's start with the jewelry part. The first one is this, and it's really beautiful and quite heavy, I can see. So a good quality piece. This is a pendant neck piece. Gold is the color with this brown pendant here. The quality looks really nice. Let me just wear it and show you the look. This is the look. I know with this top, I'm not really sure if it's going, but you can see the look. It's pretty and the quality is quite nice of this pendant. So yes, I like it. I will be clicking some pictures and I will be attaching that in the end. You know it. So yeah, stay connected for that. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful ring here. A mirror ring. A square ring. So yes, I like it. I have round rings, but this would be my, like, you can say, not like, I don't have many of these square kind of rings. So yes, happy, and this is the look. Oxidized silver is the color with this mirror here, and this is the look. Now moving on to the next one, and I will be mentioning the price on the screen so you can just see that. And now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. You can just see these are pretty. Oxidized silver is the color, so of course you can just wear them with any like any shade, or they will look actually good with Indian suits, kurtis, but yeah, with Western outfits as well. I think you can match them up. Let me just wear one of this and show you the look. This is the look for the earrings. Wow, looking really pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one is a beautiful pair of earrings again, and these are actually very interesting, very lightweighted. I like it because they are super light. So yes, wooden kind of a texture they have, and yes, let me wear one and show you the look. And as I've said, don't worry about the looks because yeah, I will be clicking pictures with all the jewelry, so you can see that in the end. Okay, so this is the look for this one, and you can see it's looking really pretty, very different, and actually I can't feel them in my ears. They are like super light, super light. Left with the last one, and this is the one. You can just see it's very pretty neck piece. This is the star product, like star jewelry in the box, I would say. It's a full set with matching earrings, and this is the neck piece. Let me just wear it and show you. I really like it. The quality and the style, yes, it's nice. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Wow, so this is the look, and yes, I like it. The matching earrings are looking really pretty, and this neck piece is looking nice. The quality is beautiful. So yes, I like it. This is the last jewelry in the Mystic box for May month. I quite like it. I'm happy with this, and I will be mentioning everything in the description box. The promo code, the discount code, the buying link of Fashitude in the description box. Now before ending the video, let me tell you that tomorrow I will be announcing the giveaway winners for April giveaway. So guys, only 1 day is left. Hurry up and participate, guys. Plus, I will be coming up with a new giveaway for May month. So yes, stay connected for that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.